In this lecture, we will understand more about authentication and the approach we are taking. We are using an authentication method in which the server creates a JWT token and pass it to the client. JWT or JSON Web Tokens is an open standard that defines a compact and self-contained way for securely transmitting information between parties as a JSON object. Let's look at a flow diagram to understand this. In our authentication flow, users will come to a website that wants to talk to our API. The users will type in their username and password using a login form, and the website will send this information to the API. The API will check the username and password, and if this information is correct, it will generate a JWT token for the website user. The website will then use this JWT token as a way to make HTTP calls to the API to access the resources of the API and get data from the API. The API will check if this token is correct, and if it is, the API will return the data that the website asked for. If the website doesn't send a JWT or it is invalid, then no data is returned from the API. This is the authentication flow, and we will start building this in the next lecture.